Georgia, northern Talbot County and west central Georgia, Upson County and west central Georgia, until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail and damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from northwest of Williamson, through Williamson, to Woodbury and through southwest of Greenville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Zebulon, Molina, Meansville, Warm Springs, Manchester, The Rock, Milner, Thomaston, Eldora, Woodland, Barnesville, and Yatesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466. You can also tweet your report using hashtag GAWS.